This experiment we are going to measure voltage, current, power factor of various lamps using multifunction meter. So now we will do that, rig up the connection on control lamp board. So now you can see that the phase of the input is connected to the phase of the multifunction meter, that is red color to red color. Then neutral of this one is connected to neutral side of the multifunction meter, that is black color of the input is connected to black color of the multifunction meter. Then output of the multifunction meter is connected to one end of the lamp, red to red color. Then another point is connected to another point of the low side, that is black to black. Now the connection is ready. So before turning on this one, first what you can do, first you need to switch on the power supply. So once the power supply is given to that, now you can see that light in the lamp. So to give the power supply, so always you need to press the auxiliary supply button. So after getting the power supply here, we can see that we can measure the various parameters, that is the current, ampere and frequency. So now we see that 254.1 Ln is indicate that the voltage between the line and neutral. Then 0.036 ampere, that much of current is flowing in the circuit. The frequency of this one is 49.89. To check the next parameter, what we can do, press this button. Again press this left side button. Then here this is indicate that power. The power of this LED lamp is 6.69. This always varies, you can take any one value out of this one, 6.6 or 6.5. Then this one is not required. Again press one more time the left button. So the PF is indicate that power factor. The power factor of this lamp is 0.88 or 0.90. Then this one is not required. Again press this button. These things are not required. These things also not required. This also not required. This also not required. So these are the, again these are repetitions. So these kind of things you need to do repeat for incandescent lamp and fluorescent lamp. So in order to switch this, what we can do, turn off the power supply first and turn off this auxiliary supply, then remove this connection and connect it to incandescent lamp. Then again turn on this power supply and turn on this auxiliary supply for meter. And again pressing the left side button, you have to note down current, voltage and frequency. Again for the next one, what we can do, turn off this power supply, shift this from incandescent lamp to fluorescent lamp. Again turn on the power supply, turn on the auxiliary power supply, then you have to note down current, voltage and frequency. Again pressing the left side button one more time, so you have to note down power. Again pressing this button, note down power factor. You need to do repeat for all these three lamps.